My people, I don't bring you a correct update from Occupy Lekki Toll Gate. For una way they aware and una dey follow up, una go agree with me say the situation now don't hot past fire. My people, as una go remember, I tell una say 13th of February, say yawa go day because Occupy Lekki Toll Gate, they don't already make up their mind, and then Defend Lagos too don't already make up their mind. So my people, now as I dey talk to now, police people don't they arrest. In fact, if una see multitude of arrests where they arrest. Every corner where you go, they get people where they don't carry. Now, so this one happen inside bus. For una way no be Nigerians, they call am tro, you understand? For Ghana. Yes, two girls sit down inside bus, so they gist their own gist, they talk about how things they happen for the country, you understand? Okay, they don't even know say policeman sit down behind them. Hey, can't see problem. And that period said they don't already arrest Mr. Macaroni, na popular comedian for Nigeria, not so many of na go do am. So they couldn't discuss say the way they treat Mr. Macaroni no nice. You understand? They discuss things. Now so one of them can't reach bus stop. Ngwanu police officer come down, come tell the other one say you must get down. Now so that one come tell her say I never reach my bus stop. I don't understand why they tell me to get. The police officer hold this girl. He tell her say you must get down. Say they talk about Occupy Lekki Toll Gate. They talk about say you don't commit offense. My people no be small matter. Now I say make her bring her. So for now when I know what they happen now after that 13th, join me make we watch the video.
What happened now? Explain what happened now. I don't understand. Why should I come down? Why? I'm going to
calm down.
I've not gotten to my bus stop. Kilo Shelle.
Calm down.
I've not gotten to my bus stop. I've not gotten to my bus stop. I'm not going to Maryland.
Talk to me politely.
Why should I come down? I'm not gotten to my bus stop.
What did I do?
I've not gotten to my bus stop yet.
Hey, it's what?
I've not gotten to my bus stop yet. I can't come down. What happened?
I want to know why.
Why should I come down? Why?
What did I do?
What happened? What did we do?
What did I do? If you cannot say it.
What did we do now? What happened? What did we do now? What did we do? What did we do? What did we do?
I want to know what I did.
Are you coming? Are you?
What did we do?
When policeman no even get car, you as a policeman, like you know just the shame. You sit there inside bus, public transport, and you dey listen to wetin people they talk. Upon say you even dey disgrace yourself. Oh, you still. If I be you, I go even cover my face. You understand? Because I'm not just there. I not just understand how some people just they operate. You be police. When you, according to them, they say they get rank, they get stars, they get moon, all of them. You even sit inside public transport and you they come down, they cause sin so that everybody go come see you. When you suppose they shame. So now people not even feel discuss what they want to discuss. Now because they be girls. Assume, no, make we just assume say these people where they get this discussion now they be guys. Only you. Hey, my brother, last, na two teeth for remain for your mouth. You understand? I don't need to explain too much. Because some people just do overdo some kind of things. I not just understand why. If na celebrity sit down somewhere now, they discuss this matter, nobody go find them. Oh. They look for those people where they know say they feel oppressed, they get power over them. Now that one, now their power remain. Any other person, they go even go they hide. Some people even stand for that corner. They watch how they harass gay men, able men even stand there. Even the conductor, because when a family member no dey inside. Now why una just relax? No, it's not your business. Una just stand there like doorway. I bet make this nonsense stop for this February. Say una go they see say they harass citizens. Or person they beat woman, all those nonsense when I know so they do. Make it stop for this February. I no want here. You understand? Hey, they very, very important. My people, the matter now, the reason why this matter they grand now because of Mr. Macaroni. And now, for now, when they even know what even lead to your arrest, they arrest Mr. Macaroni with other 39 people. making 40. If una see how they jam pack these people like sardine. I bet for now, when no even know who be Mr. Macaroni, and una don't know how they bundle them, I don't bring a console. Join me, make we watch them.
The amount of go and you in person. Put your face for that. Put your face for that. Put your face for that. Oh, are you a musician? Hey, you with tattoo? Huh? This man, go join that one for Mr. Macaroni. Go join them there. What put you into this mess now? Which mess? You know.
Una see them. All that one now. All that one una see now. They say now just because na police, so they say it caused a breach of peace. I don't know which English they speak. They say it caused breach of peace and it violates COVID-19 protocols. Say they no keep rules and regulation where they don't talk according to COVID. I beg my people. Which of the COVID-19 protocols did they talk about? Which of them? The one where even politicians themselves no they keep. I be the ones where they keep. Because if I remember well, because I know say my brain sharp, many things don't happen where these people cause citizens to gather themselves. They don't even care about COVID-19. They don't care about the number of people, face masks and all these things. So now, nothing is smart. When it time don't reach now, make citizens defend themselves. Una don't they come outside rules and regulation of una no smart oh. If we want start this thing, now just because see now just because say all of us we get sense. Because all of us not feel they fight each other. It will come be like say everybody don't mad. So some people need to remain sane so that they no go they affected by the other people who no can get the sense. Why not go they behave like say una no know the right thing to do? Just imagine una no hear am from him mouth. He even talk am. I go shoot you and there is nothing go happen. Now police favorite slang be that. Now they know they had them. I will shoot you, nothing will happen here. They always they talk am. And they know the joke. Well, no, what do you expect? When from above they don't give them assurance. My people, this country needs serious revival. We need to revive this country because Nigeria don't enter corners where you don't even feel remove them. Now only prayers go help us. Now only prayers. And as it be like this, plenty people dey where one word where they go come out for their mouth, things go change for good. But they don't decide to keep quiet. All of una know yourself. All of una will be side chick celebrities. You understand? Una dey position, una fit talk where things go happen, but una decide to keep quiet because una no wan spoil una work. Una and the politicians una get una own things. You understand? And then the other set of people, all these people wey no say government dey favor them, so they no fit talk, but una know the truth. Una time go soon reach oh. Una time go soon reach because see, make I tell una something wey una no even know. The reason why God put everybody in a particular position is so that you can have a say. Not be everybody feel their position where you dey. As we dey see each other like this, everybody get your own role to play. So if you dey position where you feel talk, you feel change something and you no talk am, people blood dey on top your head in case you no know. People wey don't die for this sake, their blood dey on top your head and you sit down there because of how much? Because they give you small money, they give. Make una continue. Before una go say na me tell you, una make you stop. Me, I know the craze. Continue. When una don't tire, una let us know. Because una don't forget, say even una self, una be citizens. If not be for that thing where you know say they do, I no one speak English. If not be for that thing, you for even they worse than many of us. My people, make we learn to they use the opportunity where we get. It is very important. It is very important. I wish say I even dey one position now where I fit change things. I no go even waste time. People are suffering. People are suffering. I just dey imagine now. Okay, see these people now wey they don bundle. Imagine say Mr. Macaroni no dey there. By now, we go just hear say 39 people died after the Occupy Lekki Toll Gate. We go just hear bad news. Wetin you dey use your influence for? Na my question. All of una wey una no, are they very serious? Wetin una dey use una influence for? They know you, Mr. This, Mr. That. You are the most this one, you are the most that one. Wetin you, all those names, wetin you dey use am for? Just to dey sit down for one corner. See, make we put hands together. This is the time where we need each other more. You understand? Because as it be now, many people, they don't say their conscience for 2 naira. Many people, no be joke. Now when you go hear them, they talk, you go no say, this one don't go. But if you see them without them talking, they look okay. You understand? So now we will remain, those of us will remain where our conscience still there with us. We need put hands together and move things. You understand? It is very, very important. And again, I beg, I won't give us advice. I even involve myself. Make we dey very careful what we dey talk when we dey public places. You understand? No, I know they support the harassment, the way the police do this girl, but at the same time, make we dey very, very careful. Not just dey for public, they talk anyhow. You understand? You no fit win battle like that. To win battle, you must strategize. You must not be as foolish as your enemies if you want to win. You need to sit down, think. Not just they go public places, they talk. See wetin this girl now don't involve herself inside. But they don't release them. I know say now blood pressure don't they high. You understand? They don't release her. Nothing happened to her. She dey okay. But now why they bring this matter? Make we dey very careful. If you know say you dey inside bus, public places, anywhere where you know say plenty people dey, you don't know who sit down near you. You don't know who stand behind you or in front of you. You understand? To avoid all these unnecessary problems, it is very, very important. My people, Naija say make I bring for now. So if you get anything to talk concerning this matter, drop am for that comment section. And if you never subscribe and click on that bell, you go to miss any update and any fresh news where we dey bring. And you know say you no get any dull moment when you understand. We dey bring you the best. Meanwhile, on to our next story.